No entry.
You can't go this way.
No U-turn.
Don't turn back here.
No parking.
You can't park here.
No stopping.
Don't stop your vehicles here.
No horn.
Don't honk in this area.
Speed limit, 50 kilometers per hour.
Drive under 50 kilometers per hour.
No overtaking.
Don't pass other vehicles.
No bicycles.
Bicycles are not allowed.
No pedestrians.
Walkers can't go here.
No trucks.
Trucks are not allowed.
Curve ahead.
Get ready to turn.
Sharp turn.
Turn carefully.
Slippery road.
Drive slowly.
Steep hill.
Go slowly down.
Animal crossing.
Animals may cross.
Children crossing.
Kids may be on the road.
Traffic signal ahead.
Light signals coming soon.
Narrow bridge.
The bridge is very narrow.
Uneven road.
The road is bumpy.
Two-way traffic.
Cars come both ways.
Pedestrian crossing.
People cross here.
Railway crossing.
Train track ahead.
Road work ahead.
Workers are fixing the road.
Falling rocks.
Be careful of rocks.
Speed bumps ahead.
Slow down for bumps.
Turn left only.
You must turn left.
Turn right only.
You must turn right.
Go straight only.
Keep going forward.
Keep left.
Stay on the left side.
Keep right.
Stay on the right side.
Roundabout ahead.
Circle road ahead.
Cycle path.
Only for bicycle.
Use seat belt.
Always wear a seat belt.
Sound horn.
Blow horn here if needed.
Parking area.
You can park here.
Hospital ahead.
Medical help is near.
Fuel station.
Petrol or gas available.
Restaurant ahead.
You can eat here.
Airport.
Airport is nearby.
Bus stop.
Bus stop here.